Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets not loading. If Google Sheets is not loading properly on your device, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. So first, completely close the Google Sheets app, then open your device settings and check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. If needed, turn Wi-Fi off for about 10 seconds and turn it back on before reconnecting your network. So once connected, try opening Google Sheets again and see if that works. Now, if the issue continues, go back to settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down, go to general. Then from here, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Then select reset. Then from here, select reset network settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. So click reset network settings to confirm the action. So keep in mind that this will remove save Wi-Fi networks, VPN settings, and other network related preferences, restoring them to their default state. Next, go back to general, then scroll up and go to iPhone storage. Then from here, scroll down and open Google Sheet. Select that. Then from here, tap offload app. Tap offload app once more. So this removes the app while keeping its documents and data. After the process is complete, tap reinstall app and wait for the installation to finish. So once done, open Google Sheets and check if it's working properly. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.